a heart of wisdom and understanding. Pusong may karunungan at pangunawa. Wisdom is a gift from a generous God. Praise the Lord! Napaka-generous po ng ating Panginoon. So kung kailangan mo ng karunungan, ibibigay ng Panginoon. And every word He speaks is full of revelation and becomes a fountain of understanding within you. And He will teach us of His ways. And we will walk in His path. Nang ibig sabihin, every word that we receive, every word that you read, every word that you understand, na napapakinggan natin, na salita ng Diyos, nagbibigay itong added wisdom o karunungan. At hindi lamang po karunungan, kundi ito ay punong-puno ng revelasyon. Revelation of who God is. Revelation of who Jesus is in your life. So the more you come to Jesus, the more you know Him, the more God reveals Himself to each and every one of us. At ang sabi niya, siya ang wisdom. A generous God that will give you wisdom. At ang sabi po, regalo. When you say regalo, binibigyan ka. Walang kapalit. At dahil regalo yon, gamitin mo. Wisdom becomes your personal bodyguard. So wisdom that comes from God will always lead you to choose what is right.